Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet, and we're already out. We also trade offline, and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Okay, good morning. It is Monday, February 24th. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Mine was okay. Happy to report again that I think my cold is a little bit better. You know what? Let me just check, do a sound check. Sound check looks good, but a little low. Okay, I guess Windows played with my numbers again. Let me fix that. Is that better? No, that's still very low. Now is it better? No, still low. That's kind of odd. I should have done the sound check before. Okay, hold on. Give me a minute. Now checking if it's better. Okay, and don't want to redline it. I find that kind of odd that it's so low. It's like something changed again. Filters, gain. I'll put up the gain a little bit. I'm not really too eager to do that, but I guess for today at 9:20, this is the best I can do till I check it tomorrow or later on. One other thing to do, open up the chat. There we go. Okay, I'm ready to start. As always, I start with the 15-minute chart to see what we have done in relation to the Asian session. The Asian session, it's always a tongue twister, that Asian session. The gray box. And we have, wow, look at that. We took out the highs, we took out the lows, and then we took out the highs again. So what I follow is to see if we've taken out both sides of the Asian session, and assuming we would return to, you know, and here in this case, we broke the highs and we broke the lows, we would return to the highs, but we already did that. So we did the ABC pattern. So I guess that's invalidated. We are trading a little bit above, not too much above, 21,659. Oh, actually, you know what? There's a decent amount above, about 100 points above. That is Friday's close and Friday's low. Wow, Friday's close was like right at the low. That's kind of bearish. We're a little bit above VWAP. Let me mark the midnight open. The midnight open is the solid blue line. And we are below midnight open, so I don't really have a clear direction. A little bit of bearish, a little bit of bullish. Mostly bearish, though. Let me take a look at the daily. Remember those trend lines? Wow, we broke those with ease. Don't have too many levels on the 30-minute chart. They keep getting erased. The daily, well, the daily we're touching the 50-minute moving, the 50 period moving average. Okay, so it's going to be a day of watch, wait, and see, which is pretty much my MO every day. So let's set up my automated strategies, edit. Lot size 8, PA 35. Okay, so we can do that on 35, right? Setting up my opening drive. Okay, enabled. Enabled. Fair value gaps. 2-bar reversals. And the crude trader. Oh, let's take a look at the crude once again. No trades yet in crude. Friday was a day with no trades, which was surprising, and so far today, no trades. Anyways, we'll check back in on it. Good morning, Woodchip. I saw my number. It was 97 in Bulenox in the end. Didn't get over 100, but... And I think my volume's a little bit low today, eh? Pull this out. I'm not going to track it anymore. I seem to be trying for what? I don't remember. Remind me what I said that had the word trying in it. We are trying to make money. That I know for sure. I thought you just said trying for no trades. No. No, I said yesterday. No, oh, sorry, Crude. Crude had so far has no trades today, and Friday had also no trades, which is very, very odd. Okay, well, the volatility is not bad, I can say. 351,000 contracts. That's decent. Because some mornings we see at 9:45, 200,000. So 351,000, the volume's pretty good today. The volatility is the average range of 1-minute candles. Am I on the right? Yes, it's 6.65. You can see that in the bottom right corner. That's also pretty decent. Counter-Strike is set to trade on one of my accounts. Excellent. As it should be. And I think I'm all ready to go at what time? 9:25, 9:26. I have 1 minute left. There we go. I woke up late today. It's a good thing I did a lot of setup. Give me 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I gotta figure out where. I'm in the mood for a little background music, so I'm gonna just put up something. But you know what? I'm gonna change it because I'm not in the mood for the Spanish mix. Let me close that down. Go to properties, browse. Let's play the first one I ever created. Lo-fi, easy listening. Keep me relaxed. There we go. Okay, now I'm ready to trade. And the market's already opened. Or, no, they're not. 5 seconds. We will watch the opening drive. And I guess we'll start with 34. Okay, I'm short. Should have been short at 40. I'm short at 37. So I'll short another 5 lot and try to bring my price up. That was my chance. Come on, take me out. Let's see if we can get down to 935. Oof. Okay, let's put up the opening drive. See what the opening drive is going to do. So far, it didn't tick me in. I'm looking at the average range on the 1 minute candles. It's 14. It's not bad. Looks like that's so funny. Didn't even realize it. Maybe my speaker's off. We took a trade on Counter-Strike. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Looks like opening drive is going to get taken in onto the long side. Wow, that's going to be a very extended candle. I'm going to bet that I can get a better price than what opening drive is going to give me, because that's a bit of a stretch there, 60 points. This candle closes in 21 seconds. I'm going to trade opening drive manually. Watching to see if we close outside the... And we do. 780. I'm going to try and get in at VWAP, which is at 764. Maybe a little bit earlier. Okay, I got in. I'm long on the opening drive. I'm trading it manually. Great. I don't have it on all the things. Hopefully it won't be a crushing immediate loss. For opening drive, I gotta get a close. Wow, look at that, all the way back down again. That was just a complete reversal. 20 points down. Not bad. I mean, opening drive gets me ahead by 40, 50, 60, 100 points. So far only 20 points down. But what a move up, and then followed by a strong move back down, eh? And if I have a bad day today on opening drive, it only means tomorrow's going to be a good day. That's the way I look at it. Opening drive does well almost every week, so let's take a quick look at crude while we're here. Oh, crude could potentially have an entry if we break the high or the low of that black candle. Continue watching the opening drive because I could potentially get stopped out. But I think I'm going to add to the trade if I don't get stopped out and I get an opportunity to do that. If I see price moving up, showing me that it might want to put in a bottom, another bottom over here. "26 seconds left. Well, opening drive is going to be most likely a losing trade. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'll use the low as my stop. Maybe I can get a better price. Maybe I can get it 10 points better on the stop. Let's see what I can do to make this a little bit less of a loss. Come on, go up another 5 points. Just 5 points. I have to get out. I have to get out. Okay, 341 on that. I was hoping for continuation, but it didn't give it to me. First fair value gap. Let's look at the first fair value gap. I had a 2-bar reversal there. Okay, I got to shut this thing off. It's not working right. It has to be on all my screens. Formed right away. Yes, it did. I see it. And we came into it right away. Counter strike is short again. And very close to taking profit. Let's go. Target failed.
Order canceled.
Okay. That was good. I had a ghost order there for a minute. That was weird. Let me cancel all orders on Bulenox. Well, at least Bulenox is up 140. Because I took a crappy loss in with the opening drive. Discouraging. But I've been at, no, there's no way I could have made that better. There's no way I could have made that better. I tried, I gave it a shot. But the loss is what it is. Okay, let's get back to scalping. When I have a moment, I'm going to take a quick look at the charts. Actually, I might have a moment on the 15-minute chart. Wow, look at that. So, swept the Asian high, swept the Asian low, swept the Asian high, and we swept the Asian low 4 times.
Waiting to go short. 50% gap just filled. I'm long. Just took London lows. You know what? I'm not watching the London lows. Somehow that's escaped me. Wow, my entries are poor today. I'm not getting filled.
Target filled.
Target filled. That's good. I just heard another counter-strike trade being completed. Cover a little bit there, and I'll hold two. I'll let these go. I think one more counter-strike winner. I'm going to stop it. I'm up 185. That's good. Not going to be greedy. London lows. Why didn't I remember? It's almost as if stopped. You got stopped, and this trade turned me green on this account. Not by much, especially given that it's a 150K account, but green is green. You know what I'm just short of 2 lot, I should add. Let's see if the strategy pays off for me. Come on, head lower. Let's get lower. Sell it. Sell, not wrong way, wrong way. Now I still have time. Sell it. Don't stop me out. Come on, don't stop me out. Send it lower. Oh, stop me out. Okay, well, got greedy, sort of. Added to that trade. It didn't work out. Take a look at the 3 charts here. Yeah, now it comes back down, eh? Oh, don't see really a divergence. If anything, NQ is a little bit stronger. And I'm only basing that on the 5-minute chart. These highs over here on NQ were a little bit stronger. I'll go a little bit lower. Let me take a small piece out and try to turn this account green. And let's see if we can get a run. Well, like to get 40-point move. Like to be able to say, oh, counter-strike is short. There we go. Target filled. Turning counter-strike off. That's enough. 230. That's about as much as counter-strike can make in a day. Actually, it's not 230 because there's commissions. No, that's after commissions, 230. Before commissions, 271. Okay, so like I said, I don't really see too much of a divergence between the two right now. They both swept London lows, as Woodchip brought up. I was forgetting to check what's going on with that. Oil. take a quick look at oil. Oil just broke the low. Okay, let's mark it. Oil hasn't had a loser in a long time. Take profit is at, this is a terrible color, blue on blue. Yeah, I'll change it later, but right now I don't have a trade, so we'll watch the oil trade for a bit, see what it's doing. Typical Monday. I don't know if I'd say it's a typical Monday, unless you mean that it trades in one direction. I mean, all we did really is we just had that fake out at the beginning to the upside, which unfortunately made opening drive go long. It's too bad the timing wasn't a little bit different. It could have gone up and come back down and close inside the bands, but it is what it is. Okay, we'll check back in on oil later. Rankos, as you can see, are short. So I took a short entry. That's not my normal chart that I use. Hopefully it'll pay off for me. Only a 4 lot. Nope, got to get out of it. So I'm just long again. Huh, yeah, maybe, eh? I'm just skating around the minus 34 on this account. Lighten up a little bit. My entry was poor. I would like to say hopefully I don't get penalized too much, but I have been getting penalized quite a bit for these poor entries. Okay, at least let's see 21,707. It's not too much to ask with the 21-point range on the 1 minute candles. 21,707. That was kind of an opportunity. See, it doesn't last long, these opportunities, but that was an opportunity to add to the trade. Are we getting to 7? Close. We got to 9, 8. Well, good enough. Down 50. Down 50. Maybe I'll get back in this trade around 14. See? Oh, there we go. I was going to say you enter a limit order, but it just doesn't stick there long. Can I get back out at 7, 10, 11 bid, 10 bid, 9 bid, 8 bid, 6 bid? Good enough. Good enough. Just a quick scalp there. And now I guess I wait for my next trade. I want the opening drive to get me into a payout on that account. Hoping that that's going to be doable. Take a look again at the 15-minute chart. I got the previous day's lows at 659. So I'm guessing that might be an area where the markets take a break here from this dump. And if we can get below that and hold, let's say, what would I be looking for? 2 consecutive closes on the 1-minute candle. How it can rip. We can get 2 consecutive. Hold on a minute. We can get 2 consecutive closes below 21,652. I think that changes everything and makes this a strong bearish day. Let's go touch at least the previous day's close at 659, which is 12 points away from my entry. It's trying. Got my finger on the it's not working out, and that's kind of an impulsive trade, so I think I got out. Gold. Just taking a quick look at gold. What's it priced at? 29,054. A little bit over yesterday's close by a couple dollars. Okay, we're trading into the previous day's close. Now we got the previous day's low right there, the red dashed line. Wow, the opening drive would have been good if it was to the short side. Well, you can't have everything, right? You can't have your cake and eat it too, but I would have been up 70 points by now. Look at this run. What does this look like on the let me get an even bigger bird's eye view here. Wow. That's a pretty significant tumble. Well, this is a FOMO entry, which probably isn't the wisest thing to do. Yeah, I should get out of it. I'm sorry. I shouldn't even have done that. No rip, no. And I just did an impulsive trade, which I shouldn't have done. So I am sitting out for till 10 o'clock, penalty box. Because I got to get those under control. I can't take those impulsive trades, especially they have no stops, really. Where would I stop out on that short? At the previous day's close? That's 50 points away almost. That was a stupid trade. And I'm in the penalty box. What chip? I couldn't premiere my my song today. I have to convert it to an MP3. It's an M4A or something, or an M3A. I don't even know what format that is, but I'm able to convert it. Yeah, so I have to convert it. And I was going to play lo-fi music because I was in the mood for that, but it's not on all my scenes. So when I change scenes, it's restarting over and over. That's a bummer. Actually, where am I now? No, I can do it again. I know what I have to do, actually. Sources. And copy. Bear with me. These are the only two scenes that I'm going to use, so paste reference. There we go. That's all I got to do. That was simple enough. Let's confirm. It shouldn't start over. Yep, we're all good. I hate stopping Counter-Strike because you never know. Like, still making money. I don't have the tracker. I can't see. Anyways, I'll be happy with my 230. I won't complain. Wow, that was a move down. Wonder if Alex caught it. 21,730 down to 630 points without so much as a retrace. Look at that. Didn't even stop, didn't even hesitate at the previous day's close and low area, 659 to 652. It's a good thing I wasn't trying to catch a falling knife, which I used to do a lot. I don't do that anymore. Thankfully, that's gone from my repertoire. I used to get hurt with those trades. We'll take a small stab here at a long. Add to it a little bit. What just happened? Really? You're kidding me? My platform froze? Well, I gotta get out of the trade because not only did my platform freeze, but my quotes became out of sync there for a second. That's not good. So I got to check now that everything is in order. It looks like it. Yeah, okay. Wow, that was really weird. Whew. I'm glad I didn't get stuck in that trade. Oh, it froze again. Well, okay. Okay. Anytime I missed a short trade. Playing with the long. Well, with all that poor execution, I'm still up 188. Which isn't bad because even 500 a day on a 150K account, you can take a withdrawal out at, well, you could start thinking about taking a withdrawal out at when you made $5,000 in a 150K account. So having a $500 day, that gets you there in 10 days. That's good. Oh my God. Yeah, but you're the only one who saw. No, 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 no. In my defense, let me change screens and I'll show you. Well, okay, it's gonna stop the music. I gotta add it. Yeah, it stopped it. That's what I figured. Let me add it here also, so it doesn't happen anymore. Paste reference. It's gonna start over. It's the last time it's gonna start over. If you're watching, let me change the cursor off. I entered over here on the cross of the price channel. And that's also when I had then the quotes froze, so I got out, which is kind of good because I would have lost money. I would have gotten stopped out over here. But I did have at least a signal. I used to just like buy over here, buy when it was going down without even a reason, saying, okay, will this be the bottom? Will this be the bottom? And then I would add to it. Maybe now it's the bottom. That was the disastrous trade that I used to do without even a reason. Yeah, I had a reason over here. Usually when the price channel gets crossed, we have at least a continuation of 2 bars, which is about 10 points. So I was counting on that. But if I'm looking here far and wide, we had 1, 2, and 3 that didn't do it. So yeah, not really a high probability trade at this moment, and I guess I won't be taking the next one. And the best one. The best way to not take it is to not have it on your charts. So I'm not even going to look at those charts anymore. Goodbye. Flushed. Short only. Wood chip, you're right. Thank you for helping. I appreciate it. 100 lower, 463. Yeah. This is turning into an ugly day. I wonder how traders are trying to get short in this. Like, how do you, wow, look at that move. Damn, damn, damn. Today was the day. How do you try to participate when you're having these kinds of moves? Then what's going to happen is when I'm going to start to try to participate, it's just going to be consolidating at the low and stopping me out.
Order candles.
See, I got worried about the consolidation, and instead, I missed another. Missed another move lower. And now what's happening, because I missed so many moves to the downside, I'm kind of nervous to trade. Whoa, excuse me. All right, turned my mic off there for because my throat was bothering me, and it still is. I think I gotta go do my puffer again. I forgot to turn it on. Let's get the 511. Okay, 511. Next stop, 518. Wow, opening drive just would have completely killed. It would have been the biggest trade ever for opening drive since I've been watching. Over 300 points. if I don't even know how many seconds it was in by. The clock needed to be different by just a few seconds. And everything would have been different. Wow, I started this stream saying, thank God my cold is finally gone. Well, I didn't call the markets well. My phone out. Didn't catch that last part. No, the last part was that my speaker was off because I shut it, or my mic was off because I shut it for the, because I had to cough. And I said that I look stupid because I said at the beginning of the stream, I said my cold is over, and I don't know, my cough started to come back again. I mean, it comes back intermittently, but I really did assume we were done with it. I thought it was gone. Don't you dare stop me out. Yeah, I'm gonna go use my puffer when it's time to refresh my coffee. Hit 50%. Yeah, I think I better go. It's just too much. I don't want to continue like this. So, what do I gotta do? Yeah, I'll be back in 2 minutes.
That's right, right. Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade and so much more. Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade and so much more. Futures flow. Futures flow. Futures flow.
Okay, I'm back. The good news is I used my puffer. The bad news is it takes an hour to start working. Well, not to start working, to be completely effective. But hopefully I'll have some relief. Because that was a pretty damn persistent cough. What did I miss? I missed the bounce off 436. Is that anything that... any level? Yes, it's definitely a level. Interesting. See, that's why I said I don't like to use... I don't like to use tops as support, because I find we blow through them, but I like to use bottoms as support, because if we bounced off, which we did quite aggressively off 421, 430 over here in looks like February, in the beginning of February, and we bounced off it very aggressively again, February 8th, 9th, somewhere with that, and now let's see if we bounce off it aggressively a third time. So far, that's a pretty wicky candle right there. Looking on the 15 minute. The bottom might be put in. I wonder if other people are thinking and seeing the same thing. That was the Toot Toot song. How is that even possible? Lord, well, I got a new fresh coffee, warm, hot. Still bothering me a little bit. Yes, it is. I'm aware. So what do you guys think? I got 138 points on 2 trades. Excellent. Yeah, that's today's the day to do it. Yeah, I think people are gonna try and ride this a little bit higher now. Okay. Rankos are long. That's interesting. Let's see if I can catch a move up. Hard to see, hard to decide what we're going to do here. Definitely bounced off that 440 level with good reason. And we got a good little distance there to the VWAP. Previous day's close, previous day's low, 659. That's 140 points. So we could try and trade off in that direction. Well, Renko slipped short. Interesting. Do we make another run for the U.S. session lows? The volume is 800,000, which is high, and the average range of 1 minute candles is 25, which is very good. Good opportunity to make money. Ah, the oil trade. I forgot about it. So let's see what happened. Okay, we entered in short over here, and we got our 1-to-1. So that's another winner. And I'm going to automate this also. We have another trade right here. Let me see. At the black, we broke the low. Oh, sorry, wrong chart. I didn't have it up here. Okay, so the black candle got marked. That means when we break the high or the low of that candle, we're entering short or long. You break the low, it's short. You break the high, it's long. In this case, we broke the low of the candle. Let me just mark it in again to show you. It's a 1-for-1 system. It's not exactly right there. That's about in the right place there. And there's your 1-to-1. It got ticked in, it got hit. And now we have this trade over here. I'll mark it off. It went short on the next candle. And let's see if it gets to the 1-to-1. The 1-to-1 would be at the white dash line, which is the previous day's close. So we'll watch this one. We'll check back in, see how it's doing. I'm not sure. Are you asking me or telling me? What's the rule about having big gainer days? Try to have them. Let your winners run. I'm not so good at that. I should make that the one thing that I work on. Take a look at the 5-minute charts. They look pretty much the same. ES and NQ. NQ's on the top. 5-minute charts are on the left side, and they look pretty much the same. I wouldn't say one is stronger or weaker than the other. So it's a broad market dump. It's not really just in the technology sector or oh, that's what you mean. Okay. No, not at all. It's just you have to be within the consistency rule. I don't know what it is. I forgot what it is with Apex. But if it's 30%, you just divide 800 by 30, and you have to get up to that amount now to make a withdrawal. So that would be about 2,600 or something like that. Come on, guys. Don't make me have a full loser. Tabernooch. I'm up 283. Okay, so you're well within. Why do I say that? Because you have to at least get to 1600, I think, anyways, to make a withdrawal. In that case, it might be only 500 bucks. But anyways, not 283 is good. It's not too much. You mean, I don't know what you mean by there. You mean to the 1600 level? I mean, you can, but you won't be able to make a withdrawal until you reach higher amounts. Yeah, they just don't want one day to be like 80% of your profit. Which is fair. You don't want people swinging for the fences and risking it all. I think that's a good rule. The only problem is it punishes longer term traders that aren't swinging for the fences by going, full porting. So you go in with, let's say, just one mini and you hit a 200-point run, you get penalized. Penalized in the sense that you have to do that another 2 or 3 times or make a lot of money before you can take your withdrawal, that's all. Well, again, like I said, it's not really punished. You just have to make that amount another 2 or 3 times. Again, I don't know what the consistency number is. I forgot. I gotta look it up. I had the paper here on my desk with all the PA rules for Apex, but I don't have it now. I can't see it. I mean, it's here somewhere, but my desk is a mess. I gotta clean it up. I mean, in effect, I could see how you would call it being penalized. I would kind of say the same thing also. So let me get up my calculator, my handy dandy. So you were saying 800. 800 divided by 0.3. You'd have to get to 2,666 before you can ask for a withdrawal. Just divide the day's profit into 0.3, or 0.3 into the day's profit, and that'll tell you where you got to get to ask for a withdrawal without getting denied. And of course, in the beginning, don't go over max half your allowed contract. So if you're only allowed 4, don't trade over 2 minis. You have to get over your trailing threshold before you can trade more than that. So if your trailing threshold is done for the day, not the best day, or red 11. Wow, I'm just 1 for 1 and my loser is bigger, so your day was better than mine. Actually, that's not true. I made about 300 in both of my Bulenox accounts, so I have 2 Bulenox master accounts. I ended up getting that one, that second one. I took your guys' advice. Hey guys, I posted my first video. Check it out. Don't run away too quickly, so my average watch time is decent, and click the like button. Play it in the background. when you're making a coffee or something, so it runs a little bit. Click the like button. Even, you know what, type in a comment, that'll help. I know those things might give the video some points sometimes. Hey, look, I'm a new channel in the beginning. It doesn't matter what anybody does. It's not going to make a video explode, but every little bit helps in the beginning. I guess the points add up. Eventually they add up to something. Crude didn't hit target yet on the second trade. It's got to come down to 70 1/4. On the 5-minute chart, NQ and ES kind of look the same still. Nothing really to be read out of those charts. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I think my son is going to be buying some Tradify accounts soon. If he does, I'll give him your affiliate code. It's got to use one, so why not use yours, right? Okay, let's see a little bit of a dump here now. Okay, reduce the risk. That's important. Back at break even. And this one's not going to run for me. I'll get out of the market if it stops me out. Oh well. Oh well, they can't all work out. It's too bad though. I took a little bit larger size on that one. I was hoping it would run. Maybe the runs are over. We still got good volatility, 23 points in the on the 1-minute candle, so we can get good continuation. That would be awesome. Thanks. 50K account trades to 2100. He's gonna buy the straight to fund it. He's gonna get the 150s, 150Ks. Not complaining. Yeah, but I like what you're doing with the evals, but now he's gonna go straight to fund it. You want to know what's funny? I swear to God, when I was younger, not anymore, when I was younger and I used to go and cut my hair at wherever it was, I don't know what you want to call it. It wasn't a barber, it was a stylist or whatever, you know. In French, it's called the coiffeur. That's 20% is too hard for me for second payout. Yeah, I think you mentioned that. You mentioned that, or he mentioned that. I don't understand that rule. I'm gonna have him look into it. I'm gonna make a note of it. Where's my pen? I don't understand what that means. 20%. You mean it's a 20% consistency, so no winning day can be more than 20% of his profits? I mean, for him, that's fine. If that's the case, but I'll make a note. That 20% is too hard for me on second payout. So I'll see what that rule is. Find that out. 20% consistency. Yeah, so that's not okay. You know, he's good with that. He's a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1 trader, and he takes 1 or 2 trades a day. So it's not an issue for him. Doesn't really swing for big days. He used to, though. I remember I was jealous. He used to catch these big moves. I like to hammer if there's an opportunity. Dollar stop. Okay. Yeah, well, I set my stop, but this is the PA that lost. It's a 150K PA. I set my PDLL at $600, so it stopped me out. I think it's a good thing because it would have continued losing money. But yeah, I set my PDLLs pretty tight. About 1/10, a little bit more. Maybe 1/8 of my total allowed drawdown, trailing drawdown. Yeah, for your style, that's better, sure. Personally, I think he should. I think he should go into try with evals, but he doesn't want. He has evals on topstep, and he's working those, and he has funded with straight to funded with tick, I think. What's the affiliate commission with Tradeify? 10%, 15%, 20%? Probably 15 or 10. You know, if I take $550 loss, I want to make it back in more. Yeah, I have that disease too. It's terrible, and I call it a disease. I don't know if you're talking about the same day. Me, it's like the next trade. It's like I gotta make it back in the next 2 minutes or something. It's so stupid. It's ridiculous. I'm talking about me. It's ridiculous. It really is ridiculous. It's like if I lost money at 10:30, by 10:35 I have to have it all back. Why? Wait for another good setup, an A+ setup. And then maybe swing the bat for a little bit bigger size, if that's the way I want to do it, you know? Not just impulsively look what direction the market's going in the next 2 seconds and jump in. It's 15, but there was some like $5 from reset, then it was $10 from activation. Okay. Yeah, it all adds up in the end, especially when you get your channel to grow, eh? You can get some people that buy a lot of accounts, although Topstep stopped that sort of, but I can see how they generate big commissions. I mean, I can say I've even had some months when I bought, well, a lot of accounts. A lot of accounts is a subjective term. For me, a lot of accounts is 8 to 10. That's my threshold for a lot of accounts. For some people, a lot of accounts is 200 in one day. That's ridiculous. But again, if the math works, the math works. If they have a way that the math works. There are a lot of ways to make money in the markets. Yeah. Okay. Wow, really? $48 eval? I'm going to look into it. Maybe I'll get one. Obviously, they have Tradivate, right? Yeah, I mean, all I would get was one just to try it because I have all the PAs that I want to have with Apex right now. And look, I'm not even using 3 of them today. And I have 2 funded accounts with Bulenox. I do want to focus a little bit also on Topstep and MFFU. I got 1 account each with them. Start new company, Alpha Futures. Yes, Trade of 8 that I like to use. You started a new company? Or I should start a new company. I guess you started a new company, Alpha Futures. What do you mean by company? Oh, okay, so you're doing it now as a company, I guess. As a business. Okay. Well, thankfully my stupid cough went away. It's getting very annoyed. Wow, Crude is dead in the water. It's not doing anything. New prop firm, not my own. Oh, okay. You started trading with a new company, a new prop firm. Alpha, I didn't hear of them. There's that one that quite a few people are now promoting. I forgot that Proxima, Prodigy, Peoria, I think something like that. If you say the name, and I'll recognize it, but offhand, off the top of my head, I can't remember the name. I think you would get more payouts with 8 to 10 accounts, but I'm from small cap, so I'm aggressive. So I'm in dangerous places with my entries. Problem is, I use the Apex trade copier, and I cannot tell you how much money it's stolen from me with bugs, and it just goes out of sync all the time with its copying, and it does weird stuff when it's out of sync, and it's just a big money toilet for me. I really haven't had luck with it, so I'm going to try it again eventually, but I'm going to try it with just 2 accounts. I don't want to be negative, but I don't feel positive on this this account, on this trade. I think this trade's going to be a loser. I want to get out of a piece. So far, it's still holding. Okay, yeah, there you go. There you go, I improved my price, and now it's down there. I'm happy. I'm holding 3. That's good. You know what, if I get out here, I'm over 500. 500 is my target for the day. It can get me to pay out in 10 days. Alpha Futures has history with Forex, and this moving to futures space. Trade copiers, prop firm dream, more money. You trade each account individually? What I do is I trade an account until it hits a full loss. Then I switch accounts. Or, sorry, that's what I try to do. That's my intention at the beginning of the day. Unfortunately, well, you know what? No, the PA that's down 669, it took a full loss in my automated strategy, the opening drive. And then I also took one trade in with my other scalping strategy, so it's took 2 full losses. Wow. Crazy. 30. Yeah, but if you're profitable, you're really bringing in the money. Oh, it's true. I wanted to check in on Al, see how he's doing today. It was a good day if you were following the rules strictly. How'd you do today? It was a pretty good day in the morning, no? Good runs? Yeah, especially if you're copying 20 accounts and if you have discipline issues, which I do. Like I said, it's cost me a lot of money. It hasn't made me a lot of money so far, trade copiers. I don't know. I'm setting my sights on trying to be able to withdraw 10,000 a month or more. That's kind of what I'm targeting. So if I can get $2,000 from each Bulenox a month, that would be cool. That would be $4,000, and then I got to find a way to pull $6,000 out of the PAs from Apex, and I'll grow it from there, trading, like I said, the MFFU and the topstep accounts. But I think I've been trading those since November, and I'm always gambling with them. After I lose my patience, I get up to 1,000, 1,500. Trading well, and then I lose my patience and I want it to move fast, and I take some stupid, oh, if I take a 40 lot and it goes to there, I'll pass. And I do that and I end up losing the account, and it's been the same stupid pattern over and over with me. Coffee's good. And I keep saying no more. Won't do it anymore. And I keep doing it. I've never been known for my patience. Not even when I was younger. Okay, system is short at 55. I'm short at 58.50. First target is 48. I went small size. Right, first target is 48. Yeah, first target is 48. If I see 49 bid, there we go. I'm out for 1. Next target is 41. 7 points away. 5 minute till potential reversal. Yeah, it's true. Oh yeah, there was a 10 o'clock reversal. That's small. Oh my God! So we had that level and the 10 o'clock reversal. Good enough for another piece out. Come on. Ah, you couldn't film me. Before, now it's at 57. What's 5 minutes? So about what time? Oh, okay, 11 o'clock. The 11 o'clock reversal. I know the 10 o'clock reversal from like 9:50 to 10:10. Oh, you know what? Are you still there? Only Futures Trading. I want to show you something funny. Your advice with 11 labs. I spent the weekend, not the weekend, but I cloned my voice Saturday. I cloned my voice. I did something after with it. If you're still there, I'll show it to you. And then I will ask you a question about it. The 30 company trading is what yeah, show me. Okay, so I'll read your comment after. Let me get it up for you. Okay, got to do a couple of things. Let me get my sources here, close the music, and then I got to add a source, audio output, and output is my headphones so that you'll hear it. Digital audio number 2. I think that'll work. Let's check the audio mixer and just change the volume. Yep, it's working. Okay, that's one. And where is it? Over here. Let's see if I can quickly find it. Or is it in downloads? Ah, it's in downloads. Okay, I'll be able to quickly find it. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. MP4. Could this be it? No, 728, 721. Where did it go? Oh, wait, clip. Sizes don't make sense. What day is it today? It's the 24th. I did it on the 23rd. Really? I lost it. Not fun. I really want to show it to you. Last week, yesterday. Oh, wait a minute. I might be here. I still have hope. MP4 was on the 24th. No, the 23rd. Okay, this might be it. Pretty sure it's it. Let's open it up over here. Change my screen. I hope I didn't lose you yet. The lo-fi is playing again. Sources. Okay, here it goes. Oh, wait, my screen's in the wrong way. I gotta shut my screen too. I'm in the way. There we go. Okay, let's raise the volume. So this is what I was playing with what's it called again? 11 Labs.
Tudo bem, bom dia. Aqui fala o Mike do Andar de Futuros e é um dia de sol. Sábado de manhã, 22 de fevereiro de 2025. Se tiver sorte o suficiente para cair neste vídeo. Bom para tu, porque eu vou estar a passar por cima. As regras de uma das minhas definições favoritas. Uma das minhas configurações preferidas. E também eu vou...
That is Portuguese and I don't speak Portuguese. So I was thinking that oh no, really? Why didn't that work? It worked. Let me try again. Great. Did I lose it? Let me see why it didn't work. Let me open it up. Close this. Ah, yeah. I put the audio sources on the other. Okay, I got it. Sources. Where are my scenes? Go back here. Copy. Yeah, you didn't hear it all, actually. Change the scene. So annoying. Paste reference. And now it'll work. Let me open up the screen. Start it over again. But I ruined the surprise anyways. I told you what it'll do. Let's start it over.
Tudo bem, bom dia. Aqui fala o Mike do Andar de Futuros e é um dia de sol. Sábado de manhã, 22 de fevereiro de 2025. Se tiver sorte o suficiente para cair neste vídeo. Bom para tu, porque eu vou estar a passar por cima as regras de uma das minhas definições favoritas, uma das minhas configurações preferidas. E também eu vou...
So that's what I'm saying. I don't speak that language. That's pretty impressive. So I was thinking that to do the videos in Spanish also. The only problem is I know, and I saw someone saying that YouTube, yeah, it's amazing. I don't know why I did my test in Portuguese. I should have done it in Spanish. But I put closed captions on the video that I put up. I put the closed captions. I put them in Arabic, Portuguese, because I had it already, French, Spanish. I think I did those 4 languages for closed captions. But yeah, I know there's a guy, Oliver Velez. He posts his videos. I don't know if he still does it. I know when I was watching him about a year or 2 years ago, he was posting his videos in English and in Spanish, the exact same video, if I'm not mistaken. But I did hear that YouTube doesn't appreciate if you post identical content. They want original content. So I'm not sure how that would work. I'm going to look into it. But Spanish is a very... Yeah, boom. That's Oliver. I like him. Good advice. He's good. If you listen to what he says, you're not being steered the wrong way. And obviously he's Spanish. And has a big Spanish following and teaches, I think, in Spanish. But the Spanish market is huge. I mean, if I look at music videos, a great music video, like it makes the news if a music video hits 100 million views in North America, an English one. And a Spanish music video that's not even that good can like hit 1 billion sometimes. But how many Spanish people are trading? So I have to look into that too, see even if it's worth it. And then the problem is Oliver Velez can speak Spanish. So if people type in a comment or a question or come into your stream, I don't speak Spanish, so I wouldn't be able to reply to them. So I thought, no, Oliver Velez always used to say boom. That was his saying. Oh, what a coincidence. Yeah, pretty much on the mark there, eh? Right at 11. How do you enter that wood chip though? What do you use for entry? What's your trigger? Just the time, or you wait for a bullish for value gap? You wait till 11 o'clock and wait for the candle, for a high of a previous candle to be crossed? Okay, see you, futures. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to click the like and check out my video. I'd like to get a few hits on that video. I don't want it hanging around 6. Using bullish fair value gap from 1008. Okay, I guess this one here, yeah. So you waited for that to get inverted? No, wait a minute. You can't invert a bullish fair value gap. Combined with the low wicks before it. Now he's catching, you're catching a nice move there. I gotta open up my music again. It's all out of sync. There we go. Now it'll all be in sync. And I turned off the audio output capture. Hey, way to go. Alex had a $600 day. Good for him. Good for you. 38 points, excellent. Oil is coming close to getting stopped out on the second trade. Didn't hit the stop up point yet. And me, while I was showing my tudo bene Portuguese, I was stuck in a trade. I was in a trade. I didn't even realize. I got all excited. I'm so absent-minded, it's terrible. There was the absent-minded professor on TV, and I'm the absent-minded trader. It's okay. I don't know, I think I was over 500. I think I threw away $700 on that. Hey, PA, the one that's up 469 is at 152, 312. That's not bad. Okay, I'd be looking for a long if I'm going to take another trade. It would be at 32. 21,532 if we can get up there. Also, my thinking is it's seek and destroy where the low form doesn't get taken. And we ping pong between until one side gets taken. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about, taking another trade. Actually, I was worried about that when we were, I don't know, I was thinking when we were, as I was thinking at the lows, and that was all the way up here. I was afraid to get ping ponged with a consolidation, and instead I missed like a bunch of good trades to the downside. You never know. You gotta take all your systems trades. I missed a ton of winners. I'm not complaining, I did well, but wow, I missed some moves. I missed some moves. Okay, let's get up to 32. If we get up to 32, I'll add to this trade. I'll just double in size. It's only a 2 lot. I'll make it 4. I should be doing 5 lots anyways. Okay, so I'm in for a 4 lot at 27. System's in for a 4 lot at 32. Got a few points better. Happy with that. Now let's see if we can get the 39. Not too much to ask. 39. It'll be 12 points. It'll get me back over 500 for sure. Anyways, I'm not playing the money. Playing the money is not a good idea. Just play the setup. Watch the charts, be reactive, not predictive. Not really giving me great price action to be confident in this trade, but at any minute, price can spike up. Let's go. Let's get that spike. Wow, those are some tight candles there. I like tight candles like that, but the last couple times that I got tight candled, I got stopped out. Thought there'd be continuation, and instead of it reversed. So I'm gonna lighten up. You know what happens when you lighten it up, eh? Long 28, stop 01. Murphy's Law. If you lighten up, it goes in your favor. If you don't lighten up, anyways, if it goes, I'll still get over 500 with this trade, even with a light position. That's too bad I forgot. I think I was at 560 or something like that. Last time got tight candles, you got handled. Yeah, that's a good one. There we go, 503. I crossed the 500. Trading the balance. Okay, you know what I'm feeling? I'm feeling bored. You know what happened the last time I was feeling bored? And why am I bored? Because I'm treading water. Volatility is falling. Last time I was feeling bored, I turned a winning day into a losing day. No more trades for me, guys. Or if I do, it'll be for a 1 lot, a micro. That's it. Let me lower my size. I'll do what they call tradertainment. Hey, you were talking before about Pine Tree Trader or something. There's a couple of them out there with the same names. There's Alpine Trader. Let me see. Hold on. Let me open it up. There's a couple of guys with the same names. Very, very similar names. Let's see what I got. I gotta take off my glasses, I think. There's Pine Tree Trader, Alpine Trader. I think there's one more. No, I don't see it. I'm pretty sure there was another Pine something. There's a guy's channel called Started Broke. That's funny. No, don't see it. But I don't know. I was really feeling like there was another channel out there with Pine in the name. Not Alpine. Pine Tree's the small guy, eh? Let's go take a look at Pine Tree. Is he streaming even now? I have audio output off. I don't want to be headset, lo-fi, perfect. Oh, this guy. Yeah. Okay. I remember him. He, well, he gets a good amount of views. There's 26 people watching right now. I mean, the goal is not to get to 26 people watching, but it's always a start. There goes Nasdaq. But still, 324 views on a stream from 15 hours ago, 208. Not bad. He's getting there. Say hi. No, I'm not on his channel. I'm just viewing his catalog, his inventory of videos. I'll go in now. Subscribers mode only. Okay, I'll subscribe. You want to chat? Subscription added. Really? Wait, let me confirm with you before. You want me to reconfirm? You know how you have to reconfirm everything? You want me to go get in there and say what chip sent you? Ah, okay. I just wanted to reconfirm with you that you want me to do that. You know, that it wasn't just some impulsive thing that you had, that you just realized now. You said, no, don't do it. Okay, I'm in. Chat as a subscriber. Okay. Hey, bud, just subscribed. What chip sent me told me to say hello. Good enough? Let's see if he replies. Oh. Hey, he said, what's up? Ah. What chip sent you? Appreciate that, What chip. You just said it. There you go. Let's continue the chatting. Where is the chat? Yeah, it'd probably be a good idea to mingle in here also, like I do with Only Futures Trader. He's small enough. Not the troll or anything, but yeah, it's true. The Ninja Trader competition. I forgot about that. I heard about it. You know, it would be really funny if I saw my wife in the channel. Or my boys. Hey, you guys are cheating on me. I don't even know if I finished my story about the barber thing there. Oh, wow. So I might get a, there we go. Poor entry. I'll try to compensate by, what am I in? I'm in at 54, one lot. Like I said, I should have been in at 53. Really? Oh, not that bad of an entry. Let's see if I can pull 20 points out. $20, 10 points. I'll add one to this at 47, 46. I'll add it 46. Oh well.
That's right, right. Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade and so much more.
There we go. That's the 20.
Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade and so much more.
Yeah. Just talking about, I don't know if you're in there, but he's talking about the money you can make in a demo. It's funny how when you trade free, emotionally free, how well you can trade.
Futures flow. Futures flow. Futures flow.
I don't know what you mean by I hear you both. Okay. I thought you meant the audio output was, because I don't have audio output. It's not, you mean it's not on my channel that you hear both, right? That was a nice run up. Anyways, I'm closing the channel because one, it's distracting me, and two, he's talking about the ninja competition. But yeah, I'll check in every now and then, once a day or two, and just say hi and make a comment. Or I think it's a good idea to get familiar with, you know, a few of these beginner channels. Maybe eventually do a collaboration or an interview with one of them, or, you know, something like that, you know, down the road, thinking down the road. Today, you know what, I think I might get off and start working on my next video for YouTube. I'd like to get one out today, just a preview of some of the banger days on the opening drive play before I put out the rules and the chart setup video. I don't know, you know, I was telling my wife, I worked long on that first video, 13 hours maybe. You know, look, let's be fair, I'm learning how to do it, so I had to learn all the steps. So the first time is going to be a lot longer. You know, like that Portuguese thing, I don't know if you saw it, if you were around there when I was doing the first few minutes in Portuguese. Yeah, how long it took me to figure out how to do that, you know, it's probably 3-4 hours. But, you know, now to do it the next time is going to only be 45 minutes. So the first video took me a long time. Like I said, around 13 hours. I come up and my wife says, okay, you finished? I go, yeah. She goes, okay, good. You just spent 13 hours, so 4 people can click on your video and leave after 30 seconds. I said, okay, thank you for putting it that way. Now I feel better. I said, no, you're looking at it wrong. It has nothing to do with that. You got to put out content, and the first video has 4 views, and then the second one has 6, and by the time you have 30 videos out, then those are getting 60, 70, and, you know, and you start to build your name, people come into your channel, blah, 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 blah. It's got to grow. It's like, you know, right now I'm a snowflake, and I want to be a snowball or a snowman. I'm just a snowflake. I'm just an atom in the universe of YouTube. Trying to build my way up to being a grain of sand. I'll add to this trade at 95 if I see bid 95. And I'm looking to get out at 10. So 10 points. 10 points on my current entry. I'll read your comments in a second. Let me just watch this trade. We're at 4 alpha. Offered at 5, offered at 6. I should put in a limit order, because you know what happens? It goes offered at 10, trades through it, and then I click sell the ask, and it comes down. And so let me actually be sitting there. Come on. Offered at 8, 8.75. We're getting there. 8. Let's get the 10. Minus Lamard, I'm out. Stop move to no. Luna Trade said if anyone wants to come on live, let him know. I don't know what that means. Oh, okay. I know. Yes, I thought you meant on his live stream. You do mean on his live stream, but I thought you meant on his chat, you know, not, you're talking the way I was doing it with, in the beginning with Prop Junkies when I had James on also. It was me and James. You should do it. Recording music is like that and worse for one song. Yeah, no, 1 micro, but I'm allowed to add at the 50% stop point. That would have been at 95, so I would have been good with that. Because that trade would have had a 15-point profit target going all the way to 21,610. The profit target would have been the same, but stop loss would have been 5 points. So that one would have been 3-1, where my original trade was a 1-to-1. So I like those trades. Those trades are good. Adding that one lot. Inched my way back into the 500s again. You know what? PDLLs, I got to do a video on that too. Personal daily loss limits are fantastic. Because I'm looking at that 669 and every time I see it, I'm fuming and I want to open up the account and trade it so I don't have to see a red number, which is what gets me into trouble. But no, I can't. I'm locked out. So yeah, I was already thinking about that video. And I have like some titles for it, like do this one trick will stop you, or this one hack stop you from blowing accounts, something like that. One setting, change one setting, stop blowing accounts. Something along those lines. Yeah, you mean in as a chatter, right? Like what I did when I went into his stream and just chatted. Yeah, I'll do that every now and then. I'll check in on a few people. I'll check this Luna person. Never heard of Luna. Luna Trades. Yeah, definitely. I'm not just going to chat for chatting's sake. I mean, if I have something to share, I'll bring it up, you know, like what screen am I on? I'm over there. Let's bring back up the 30-minute chart. This level right here at 21,430. Let me draw in an area. Jeez, it's such a shame. I don't know why Ninja just keeps getting rid of my zones that I draw in. You know, actually, I could just even stretch it out to here. So we tapped into it 3 times and significantly and aggressively went higher after tapping into it over here, and over here. So yep, I was, well, you know, that would be something to mention on a stream into somebody else's channel. Just to bring it up quickly, oil trade lost on the second trade. Got stopped out. I can say that looking at the 5-minute charts on NQ and ES, they still look pretty much the same. ES may be a little bit stronger. And ES did get above VWAP. And, wow, I completely forgot about initial balance today. I'm quite off, I guess. I mean, we didn't break it anywhere, but I did completely forget about it. You know what? I'm not a big fan of this lo-fi mix. I like the other one better. Yeah, okay, live audio, Luna. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm in the room. I have something to share. Oh yeah, I don't open it anymore. Oh, let me get there. Hold on. And listen specifically, I want to talk to somebody, or like you do what you did. I didn't get it at all. Yeah, I have to say I'm in the audio room. I thought you meant you're in, you only go in, let's say like Pine Tree, and chat it up if you have something to share. That's what I thought you meant. I'd stay on another 15-30 minutes because everyone shuts down now. Okay, I'll stay on. I mean, the only thing I was gonna do is eat lunch, relax a little bit. Hold on, let me open up the audio room. going to take me a minute. Boom. Let's get rid of this stupid lo-fi music. I don't like it anyway, so I don't like this one. I'm not going to play it anymore. Maybe I'll delete it. Open up a new tab. Futures floor. Where are you? Video Ninja. Getting there. I hope you have the right link. We will see. Enter room. What? There's 3 people in the room. How is that even possible? No, maybe it'll get reset once. Disable video. Right mic. Test. Okay, no, I don't see you. Maybe you're in an older room. I deleted all the older rooms. Remember, copy link. Let me email it to you. I don't want to change the room again, so I don't want to post it in here. Let me go to Gmail, Futures Floor, Gmail. Okay. Let me reply anyways. I'm in Gmail. I see your I see your email. Yeah. I see your your email. That's it. Let me reply. Anyways, let me reply and send you the new link. Just in case you're using an old one. There you go. And yeah, if you want to go in the room, then it's with that link. That's the newest room with the newest code. Yeah, I mean, I'll stick around, but I don't mind. I'll stick around till 12, till 15, maybe even 12:30. We'll see. I said I'll take trades, 1 lots, see what happens. I trade so much better anyways when I'm trading 1 lots. I'm not in the mood to do anything stupid. I close Bulenox, so I don't do anything stupid. No. It's not connected anymore. Let me just confirm because I'm absent-minded. Hold on. I will confirm. I gotta go to sources. I think I removed them all, even all those audio sources. Yeah, no audio. I don't even have. I used to have Woodchip, James, David, and Alex, and they're all gone. I took them all out. But I'll click on audio mixer just to be sure. And if I see you show up in the audio room, I'll also have OBS open. And if you were to be on the OBS link, your name will appear. There we go. All set up. All set up. Oh, look, I have a trade. I missed it. I missed it. I'm 10 points late. I'm not getting in. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, that you know, stay on, but nobody comes in because YouTube doesn't serve me up to anybody. It doesn't even serve me up to myself. If I type in live futures trading, if I type in my title, it doesn't even get served up. I'm like, they'll serve how to boil frogs' legs before they'll serve me up on a search for live futures trading. It's crazy. I'm like 19 pages down. If they actually even put up the link or the thumbnail. It's right now I am on YouTube's no-show list. Even though I have such a, for the amount of viewers I have, I still have quite a few likes. The chat box with you guys and, with you, Woodchip, it's, a little bit active. But no serving me up. That's why I didn't even do the live stream anymore for the automated trading. It's useless. What am I working for nothing? Nobody. I ran it for, 2 weeks? Yes, there were some losing nights, but there were some stellar nights too. And then you look, it's like maybe one or two people found their way in. I don't even know how they found their way in. My thumbnails are good, so can't be that the thumbnails are lousy. I'm using the same styles as everybody else pretty much. Live trading is the big word. Boop. Oh, he didn't reply. Yes, very good. Wow, it's crazy. That loss in Apex for 669 is still eating at me. Whew. I do not like to lose. That's why I said, thank God I have the PDL and I'm locked out of it. Not to say that I wouldn't have turned the account around. Maybe I would have turned it green. But there are days when nothing you do is right. So, yeah, you turn one day green. You may turn another day green, but a little green. You may recover your loss. But you didn't make any headway. And then the day that you're off and everything you do is wrong, you bust the account. So, it's a quick road to nowhere. Much better to just trade it consistently. Tomorrow I make 400. The next day you make 400. I'm ahead, and then I just keep on my way, and then eventually you get the target, and you take a withdrawal. Withdrawal. Boom, 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 boom. That's an interesting setup. And it follows a 2-bar reversal. Look at that. I'm not following the 2-bar reversals. Yeah, come in the room, Wood Chip. Say hi. Say hi. We haven't chatted in a while. It won't be on YouTube. Just say one word. Just say hi, and I'll immediately be able to see that my settings are correct. Like I said, I'm 100% sure. Oh no, I sent you a new link with Gmail. That should work. Just like 3 minutes ago. Is that the one you tried? Shouldn't be. That new link that I just sent should work. I can hear you. What do you mean you can hear me? It's impossible. You're not in the room. Now I'm confused. No, invite a guest. Let me try again. Hold on. Maybe I sent you maybe my clipboard didn't refresh. Invite a guest. Copy link. Copy link. Copy link. Okay. Took me straight into the room. That's funny. My mic is on. I did an audio test. I didn't hear or see you. Let me try again. Click, click. That's working. Anyways, I'm the kind of guy that likes to be 100% sure. So oops, wrong. I'll send you the link again. Just keep it in your inventory. There we go. Where's the reply button? Boom, paste. Make sure there is no spaces. After. It ends in capital H, capital G. Sent, message sent. Okay, anyways. Just keep it there. For another day. If you don't want to come in today, no problem. And set this up. But yeah, like I said, I don't know if all my rooms, not all my rooms, but all my scenes, I've removed all the audio links, but I think I did. There's no more on the channel. Alex and David were Oh, there you go. Now I see you. Yeah, and you're not showing up on OBS, so that's good. Yep, as long as I don't change scenes. I have a good scene up. I have the three screen scene. So on this scene here, there's no audio connected to Video Ninja. But you know what? Let me close the room down. Let me close YouTube. I had enough with YouTube anyways. Like I said, nobody's going to join in. Nobody finds me. YouTube doesn't serve me up in any search results. Even if there's nobody. Like I said, they'll serve up how to boil frog's legs before, how to go duck hunting, even though you typed in live futures trading. How to go duck hunting comes before me. It's not funny. It's not funny, but it's, look, I understand. If I was running YouTube, I also wouldn't send people into a dead channel. It's it's counterproductive. There's no record that anyone wants to see this. Okay, hold on. My headset mic is on. Okay, thank you for showing up to the stream, guys. I'm closing down. I will see you again tomorrow at 9:15. Once again, click the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit the likes, and I will see you tomorrow.